How to fix already connected to an Epic account error when connecting a console via Epic Games account. There are one of two reasons that you could get an error message saying that your console account is already connected. 1. Your console account has already been connected to an Epic Games account and you may not be aware of this. 2. You could have a nameless account. Your account is already connected to an Epic Games account. Here are steps to determine what Epic Games account your console account is connected to. 1. Click here to log in using your console account. 2. Click on the icon for your console type. 3. Log in using your console account credentials. This will take you to your Epic Games account where you can verify your account details. Please note that the email address on your console account might not be the same one as the email address on your Epic Games account. Example, your console account could use the email 001122@domain.com, but the email you used to create your Epic Games account might be 334400@domain.com. Your console account is connected to a nameless account. A nameless account is when your console account is connected to an Epic Games account without an email, password, display name, and first or last name. This means that when you first played using your console, you selected not to register for an Epic Games account. We automatically create an Epic Games account for you that uses your console login credentials to access the account. This allows you to play and save your game progression and purchases for the next time you play on that console. To resolve this error message, we recommend you upgrade to a full Epic Games account. Note, we strongly recommend you do not disconnect your console account from the Epic Games account we created automatically for you. If you do this, you will lose access to your game data when you play from that console.